Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Lade. On today's video I'll be showing you how I achieved these two really quick and easy Gele styles, so stay tuned. So I'll be using this asooke. It's a perforated gold and red asooke, and I'm just going to fold it in just a little bit, and I'm going to be tying from the back forward. So I place the asooke gele, or you can call it the head wrap. If you're hearing any voice in the background, that's my baby. Please pardon us. And then you're going to gather the two ends like so. Make sure it's firm on your head and it covers your ears as much as you would like. Once you've gathered and you're comfortable, then it's time to tie. I'm going to be making a nice solid tie in the front like so. Make sure you adjust your ears. You want to be as comfortable as you can. And then if there's room for just a little bit more time, yeah, you can do that to make it secure. You're going to take one of the ends of your gele and wrap around itself. You're going to tuck it into itself like so. Next, you're going to take the other end and wrap. You're going to just try and figure out the best way that this wrap would look nice, which is what I did. But I'm not wrapping the whole thing. I'm wrapping one end of that particular hand that I'm wrapping, and this is the result that I have. But it's not firm enough, so I'm just going to wrap and wrap and wrap until I'm satisfied, and then I'm going to do the dance test. Here we go, dance test. And now I'm feeling myself. But look, you guys, this is so nice, and you can do it yourself with no pins, nothing complex, no pleats, just you and your hands. All right, so let's do the next one. For this next style, I'm going to be tying. I folded it in half to kind of get an idea of where the middle is, and then I folded a little bit like I did at the beginning for the other style. But this time around, I'm going to be tying from the front back. Okay, from the front back. So I'm going to gather on both ends, and also I'll be making a solid firm tie in the back. Next, I'm going to go ahead and start swirling the ends of the gele. It's asooke, it's firm, so you have to be firm with it. So look at how I'm already reacting, you guys. I'm already excited because it already looks nice. This is the type of gele, the style of gele that is actually in vogue right now. I'm going to just do the same thing to the next end of the gele, swirl around, and then I'm going to put this over the previous one. I'm going to continue swirling, and then I'm going to tuck it into its older sister. Look, so you just adjust, and then of course you know what's next. It's the dance test. Dance test. You guys, this is really nice, and we'll be bringing out different attitudes. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to thumbs up, leave a comment if it was helpful, subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and until next time, bye.